In Orte, Rimond is contributing to an integrated initiative that connects the renovation of historical buildings, the promotion of sustainable mobility, and the creation of renewable energy communities. Rimond is supporting the renovation of historical buildings such as Palazzo dell'Orologio that aims to combine the heritage preservation with integrated energy performance. The approach integrates renewable energy solutions while applying circular economy principles such as the waste minimization and involvement of the local supply chains. This is a way to demonstrate how tradition and innovation can coexist within a small historical context. Orte promotes also more sustainable mobility within and around the historical center. The focus is on enhancing walkability, introducing cycling routes, and encouraging low-emission transport options to reduce the congestion and improve quality of life. In Orte, Rimond is currently projecting a new pedestrian and cycling path that connects the train station of Orte to the historical center and the riverfront area. These measures together support a more connected and energy efficient urban environment.